It all comes back to how you use your book. Marketing a book is 90% of the battle. The other 10% is the content. What does that mean? How you use the book is way more important than what's inside the book. Sounds crazy, but in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use your book to get you attention, get out there, get people to know, like, and trust you, even if they didn't read the book. Check it out. Did you know that 95% of all books are not read cover to cover? If that statistic holds weight, then how in the hell can books help people? It all comes back to marketing. Marketing is the key. And if you market differently, if you're creative, if you brand yourself in a certain way, and you get leads, you get people to know who you are, the attention is really all that matters. And how you convert that attention into dollars, that's the magic. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that are going to really explode your business when it comes to using the book as a marketing tool. And I'm holding a book called Laugh Loud, Live Long by Raymond Orta for a reason. His book just came out. It's an Amazon bestseller. It's doing really well in the market. But what he's going to do with this book is extremely creative. And I think it's important for me to just bring it out right now and tell you exactly how he's using the book, because it's going to really get people to meet him in person. This guy right here, Raymond Orta, is a stand-up comedian, very successful stand-up comedian. Google his name right now. I mean, not until the video's over, obviously, of course. I mean, stay on this video. But after this video's over, and you share it out with all your friends and family members and everybody you've ever met, and talk about me to all your girlfriends, then you could do that and then go and Google Raymond Orta. Anyway, Raymond Orta, stand-up comedian, very successful, wrote a book, and it's a book to cheer you up and cheer you on. Now this book, like I said, is doing really well. It's selling well. But he's going to make a lot more money by getting more gigs, more stand-up comedian gigs, maybe more motivational gigs, maybe more attention, maybe going to schools and speaking. Maybe he's able to meet that really high-class individual because of his book that's able to build another network, and then he's obviously used that to, for apparel or for products and services or anything that he sells down the road. The book could be that gateway. And what he's doing is, if you buy this paperback version, now you have to go and check out his Facebook page and all of his YouTube stuff, and I don't know how long this promotion is going to run, but when you buy his paperback book and you show up to one of his comedy gigs, you're going to go to the front of the line to get the signature. You get to meet him in person. It's sort of the VIP pass. By buying the book for $5, $10, whatever it is, you're able to go to the front of the line and get around people. Now sometimes you see different events and people charge extra for that. All he's telling you is buy the book, learn a little bit about him, read about it, his story, where he comes from, what he knows a lot about, and it's actually really funny. So it's entertainment mixed in with that, but you go to the front of the line. Now that's an incentive and reward. Buy this, go to the front of the line. It's a very, very smart way of promoting yourself, and that's what a book does. It allows you to promote. Get on camera, promote. I got a book. Hey, by the way, buy this. Come to my comedy gig. Oh, I have a comedy gig coming up next week, next month, next year, whatever it is. Buy the book, you go to the front of the line. Gives you that extra little incentive to just keep promoting yourself, which gives them a reason to buy it, because they want to buy it so they can go to the front of the line and get to meet you in person. And then obviously when they get to meet you in person, they get to shake hands, get the signature, maybe they get an extra t-shirt or whatever. Then there's an emotional connection that's made, whether either reading it or whether they meet you in person, that emotional connection's made. It all started from the book, using it as a tool. Whether they read it or not, it does not matter. You want them to read it, but you cannot control that outcome. So you want to figure out a way that this book is going to help you even if they don't read it. And that's one of them. Second way you could use this book as a marketing tool. Whether you're an instructor, an educator, or you have a course, the book is a great lead magnet, okay? So you can get sign up for this free course, get a free book, okay? Pay $10 for this course, get a book shipped to you. Whatever it is, you're using it as a lead magnet. Or you're basically saying, hey, I have a course, which I'm going to be doing, on how to write a book. So if you have, I have a course, and if I have many other people out there who are looking to get courses done, which is a big thing on Udemy, or there's Lightspeed, whatever course is out there, whatever platform, you could always say, sign up for my course, and I'll ship you a free book. So the course might cost $97, $200, $500, $1,000, $5,000, but you get a free signed copy plus additional stuff. It doesn't have to be just a book. But by getting that tangible thing in the mail, shipping them something after they give you money, what it's going to do is basically, it has that another emotional connection. It's a tangible item given from one company or one person to another person. It could be signed, it could be, thanks a lot for joining my program, I really appreciate it, and if there's anything you ever need, here's my phone number, boom. The personal touch. By having it as a bonus, join my program, get this. And then in addition to this, you can probably get a t-shirt, or in addition to the t-shirt, you can get something else. And the book might be in line with the course itself, which is a great bonus, because if people are watching it on video and they're following along in a book, it's just more of the same, and it nails the message home. So if you're able to do that, then holy smokes, you're able to use the book in a way that's going to be an extra bonus. So it's not just an incentive to buy the course, but it's a bonus. You throw in another bonus. People love paying for something and then get bonuses. Whether they know about it or not, it's a nice little surprise. And the third way that you can use this book, and this is the best way, I'm going to save the best for last, I'm telling you, this is for anyone. You just give it away. You just give without even thinking about anything in return, except you get their email address. You meet someone online, you meet someone on YouTube, you meet someone on Facebook, you meet someone on Instagram, and I'm telling you right now, if you're watching this video, comment down below, just say I want a free book, and I will send you a free book, whether it's my first book, Dreamstarters, my second book, Attractive Story Selling, or the new one coming out called Started from Zero. Check that out. Whatever it is, I want to ship you a book through email. Now, why am I doing that? Is because, I'm not going to run this company at a loss. People who give away books for free, they're getting something in return. You're interested in what I have to say, you might be interested in what I have to say tomorrow, next week, next month. So if I get your email, and you could do this with your own company, get people's email and send them a free copy of the book. Why? Because if it gets to their phone immediately after giving you their email, they're able to just scroll through and gauge whether they want to do business with you or not. So if they get to know you in that 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe they're waiting for a bus, a train, or they're in class, or they're doing something, they're able to just put an email in, get a copy. Hey, I like this intro, I like this first chapter, and it's a fast, simple, easy read. They actually get some value from it. All of a sudden, now there's a little bit of trust built up. Trust that was not there 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. So you're going to use it as a way to just, hey, if you like what I have to say, I'll send you something for free. I'll send you something for free. These people who are giving stuff away for free, they're getting something. It might not be money up front, but it's going to be something else. So what you want to do is you want to get people's emails, because if you build up that email list, you're able to build a relationship down the road somewhere. And so if you do have a t-shirt coming out, you have another course coming out, you have another product or service coming out, they're the first to know. But you don't want to just sell. You want to keep giving more value, whether it's through blog posts, videos. Hey, I got a new video coming out, you might like it, send it out to them. This is the stuff, it's just like subscribers on YouTube. If you get your subscriber list up, which we're working on, I don't want to push until I know I'm ready with tons and tons of content, which we are getting there. But it's the same thing as a subscriber list. People who are into what you have to say want to know more. Now, you do all this, you give away a bunch of things, but you are a business. You're a businessman or businesswoman. You have something to sell. Whether it's that course, that t-shirt, product, service, consultation, whatever you're putting out there, eventually they're going to know about it. And you can solve their problem with your product or service, right? So it all started with the book, giving it away for free, getting their email, giving value, building the relationship, getting them to know, like, and trust you. They read your book Potentially they love your book. They love who you are, what you went through. Oh my God, you love dogs. Oh my God, you went through this. You believe the same stuff. Holy smokes, you voted for that person. Me too. See where I'm going with this? Now, you take that relationship and now you say, I have a webinar coming on. I have a seminar coming up in your town. I'll be there for doing this. Oh, by the way, some of my clients that I've helped build, here's their stuff. You might like their stuff also. And psychologically, if you give enough, people are going to trust you enough to give them or give you their money. It all started with the book as a lead magnet. So whether you're going to be creative like Raymond and use it as a VIP pass for people, you could use it as a bonus, or you could use it as a lead magnet that's just a giveaway to start building relationships. It all leads back into the emotional connection. Use the book that way without them even reading it, and you're going to do well with your company. Let me know if you have any questions. My name is Mike Fallat, and I started from zero. Stay started. Hey, thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you got anything from it, please like it and share it. For more tips and advice on branding, marketing, entrepreneurship, or for anyone who's looking to build it from the ground up, stay tuned for more.